like, Rona, can you like leave the chat now? Like, exit. You came, now you're overstaying. Like, you're overstaying. Leave, please. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. When you're here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. So I'm back at it again with another video, and this video is just a bit different. I am just going to be going through some online shopping. I'm just going to be going through some products that I bought online, some makeup products that I bought online. Now we all gotta agree, makeup shopping online just ain't the same as it is when you go to Sephora or Morphe and you just walk out with one product with a whole bunch of lipstick swatches on your hand, eyeshadow swatches. It just ain't the same. I miss it so much. I honestly just miss being around makeup, touching makeup. I just miss it so much. So a few days ago I was just roaming around Sephora. I'm sure I'm not the only one that just goes on the website just for fun, just to see what's up. So I was going through the sale section and I happened to see some products that I've been keeping my eye on, and I'm like, this on sale? You're lying. You must be lying. So I seen the products online and I'm like, no, I gotta get this like right now. I didn't even stop. I was putting in my name, my address, and here we are. It came in. Now it's not very big. I didn't order crazy stuff, but the stuff that I did order are worth it. So we're gonna start with the first product that I got. So the one and only Miss Jackie O's palette. If you don't know this, I don't know what you're doing, sis. I don't know what you're doing, but this is Miss Jackie Aina's palette. I finally got my hands on it, and it was on sale. But you guys, this thing was, when it launched, it was on for like $60 Canadian, 60. And I was like, you know what, that's a little bit too pricey, and like, dang, I wanted to support my girl, but for an eyeshadow palette. So then you wouldn't believe how much I got it for. This thing was only $42. $42. I saved some coins, that's all I know. Oh, look how beautiful it is. And oh my god, all these colors are so gorgeous. Oh my god, this definitely is worth the money. That's how it looks. That's the colors. I love I love this purchase. This was definitely worth it. Honestly, if I upload this video, check out Sephora, their sale. You might just get yourself a deal too. But I'm so ready to use this. Stay tuned for a video. Stay tuned, because I'm about to give you looks with this baby. I love it. My proud purchase from Sephora. And then the next things are relevant, honestly. I just got this setting spray, the Morphe X Jeffree Star. Is it Jeffree Star? Yeah, Morphe X Jeffree Star. Now I only got it because it's pink, and like, fun fact, I love pink. Pink is my favorite color, and it's just a cute bottle. Like, look at how cute it is. This is the pink, and this is the black one. I just prefer the pink because it's pretty to look at, so I got it. Love it. I got like some perfume samples. That's all I got from Sephora. Moving on to the next. This is a bit bigger. It's a bit bigger box. This was from Morphe. Yay! So I got the Morphe. Now for Morphe is where I spend the dollars. Now mind you, Sephora, I only spent $50 because if you spend $50 you get free shipping. They don't have a spending limit for you to get free shipping. They have a code because of what's going on right now. You can put the code free ship, I believe it is, and you get free shipping. But I didn't know that, so I spent over $50 and I got free shipping. But with Morphe, I didn't see any free shipping anywhere, so I had to spend over $60 to get free shipping. And I actually got quite a lot of stuff. Let me show you guys what I got. So I got these lip glosses. I am so excited to try these out. That's how they look like. I am so excited for this shimmer. I'm also so excited for all these nudes. I'm so excited to try them out. That's how they look like. That's what I got. And then I got a bronzer plus contour. Now I don't know, like, shopping online for makeup is just difficult. I didn't know if I was getting the right shade. I had to go watch other people use it and I was just struggling. But this is how it looks like. So it doesn't look all that bad. It's pretty warm, so I can use that to like warm my face up. But it was just hard shopping online, to be quite honest, especially for makeup. I just miss going in the store. I feel like online shopping for makeup is made for when you go into the store, you see the product you like, they don't have any inventory, so then you come home and you place an order online because they have it there. It's just so hard shopping online. Like, it was so hard for me to find the shades I wanted. I didn't know how the colors looked. I didn't know how the colors look. I didn't know how the colors are going to be on my skin tone. I also got this Warm Master. This is 8W and it's a blush palette. Now I just stick to my orange blush. I don't try nothing because I just know it works on my skin tone, but I was open to adding some more blush to my collection, so I got this and I was actually very happy with it. The colors, I mean, half of this palette I'm probably not going to use, but I'm really excited for this orangey. Probably these two shades are going to work on me. I don't know about these other two. It also comes with bronzers as well up here and blushes down here. And I'm so excited to use this. And last but not least, I got an eyeshadow palette. Now I don't know how I felt about this. I needed something to bring up my order to $60. Now my entire order from Morphe was $60. My entire order from Sephora was $50. So I spent a total of $110, and the amount of products I got for $110, yo, it's a steal. Definitely a steal. This is the final product. Let me show you guys how it looks. So this is how the palette looks, and it's a fair size. I think this is 36 colors. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, these are so beautiful. Oh, these are so pretty. And this is the M35. Oh, I can't wait to get into this. You know what? Stay tuned for a spring makeup look. I'm definitely coming at you with a spring look using this palette. Oh, those are so beautiful. I'm happy about that. This was only $20. $20 Canadian. Can you imagine? Very affordable. This is everything that I purchased for $110. These products before the discount or before the sale went over $200. Like at least $250 I would have spent on these products if they weren't on sale. But make sure you check them out and thank me later. Okay, yeah, that was all for my online shopping. I hope you guys like it. Make sure that you check out Morphe. Morphe is having a 50% off right now. I don't know if they're still gonna have that going on, but there's definitely 50% off going on. So make sure you check them out. Get your products, save your coins, because we be saving coins. And Sephora as well, they're having sales now. It's selected products that they're having on sale, but check them out because you can save your coins on them expensive products, because makeup ain't cheap. We all know makeup ain't cheap, so make sure you check them out. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in and hanging with me. Thank you for quarantining with me, because I might be filming, it's getting you guys content. I'm trying to post once a week, so stay tuned and watch out for more videos to come out. Thank you for supporting. Peace and love.